We got coriander, fresh red chili, and few garlic. This is actually, we put them in when they're actually ready cooked, just before come on the wok, and give us nice strong flavor. This is very Beijing style. Beijing people live in the back old traditional way. This is very important and used quite a lot. And flavor wise, we got over here soy sauce, very important, and rice wine. The rice wine, it's about 30 milliliter each. It's about 1 ounce soy sauce and rice wine. And we need white wine go with it. Sauvignon Blanc, very fruity. So need a bit more, about 3 ounce, 90 milliliter size. Or just actually glass white wine. Very fruity. Then we got salt, 1 teaspoonful, and sugar, brown sugar, 2 teaspoonful, and hoisin sauce, 2 teaspoonful. Or you haven't got hoisin sauce, you can use oyster sauce, added a bit of sugar, but hoisin sauce is preferable. And half teaspoonful of white pepper, or 5 spice if you like. Okay, that's all we need. Then we're going to chop them up and start stir fry. Okay, let's cut everything up. Simple, not a lot to chop for today. Spring onion, and that'll do the size. And onion, just random cut, and that will go into stew with the spare ribs. So big chunk pieces. That's what we need. It'll go malted later anyway. Ginger, you can leave the skin on really. So some people prefer it without skin. So put a little trim, cut into just slice pieces like this. And garlic, this garlic to cook with spare ribs, so we leave just whole piece can go in. So this area will be we're gonna put them in when the ribs ready. So that's need a crushed garlic really in this side. Crush it like this. That'll do the job. Fresh chili, coriander. That's quite easy to cut. Just mince it like this. Okay. Okay. So that's done. Quick chop it up, and we're ready to stir. Okay, we stir the ribs first, like cooked. So we go, you can deep fry it, but I prefer actually just quick fry, which not much oil, which you cook whole. If you use that full pan of water, deep fry, it's make a lot mess. But this is actually the way I prefer. Less oil and flavor up, and use a medium to low heat to stir fry. Then, when we're ready, prepare spring onion and garlic to go with it. So, medium to low heat, give about 8 to 10 minutes. To stir it, the reason to stir it is to get the flavor in. It's like a marinated process. Then before we start stew it. Okay. It's about 10 minutes time, so it's done. So we start stir fry the spice and flavor. Stir fry the spice side and flavor, and we start the soup. Okay, we turn the cooker on, start the stir fry the spice. Well, we need to get the flavor out of the spice and cook the ribs. Little bit of oil. Ginger, onion. Rice wine, sugar, pepper, hot water, hoisin sauce, ready to cook the rice. Salt. White wine. Sauvignon blanc. That's my favorite part. Fruity. Now we need boiling water. Well, it's boiled water. Got to be boiled water. The water literally covered the ribs too. You can use vegetable stock instead of water. So, okay. Now the stock and juice, water just literally cover. Okay, like this. Okay. Wow. Now stew it for about an hour and a half, less than 2 hours. An hour and a half is a good time. An hour and a quarter, so it depends. We'll come back. Or we'll turn the heat. We'll turn the cooker. We'll turn the cooker right down to low, and leave it for an hour and a half time. Between an hour and a half and 2 hours, and they ready cooked and stewed. Then we added the rest part of the spice. Okay, see you in 90 minutes. Wow, while we wait for the ready, we need an hour and a half. Now we get the time to get the rice ready. Cook the rice, which is simple bit. Just about a pound of 1 kilo rice, half kilo. Be enough for a couple. That's 500 grams. Then we need 1.5 pint water, which is about 800 millimeter, 8 ounces water, 800 millimeter. That's perfect enough. When we turn the gas on, right to the highest level until it boils. Well, before it boils, we need to keep stirring. Otherwise, the rice might stuck underneath the bottom, get burned. So we keep stirring, the starch all coming out, the rice starch coming out, mix into water, then everything will be fine. Right, that's it's okay to use or nice and easy to use electric cooker, rice cooker. But if you don't have it, just a pan with a lid, water and rice will do the job. Steamed rice is actually quite simple. It's basically 500 gram, 1 pound of rice with 800 milliliter water, 8 ounces, and it's about half month rice and half month water in the pan together. So keep stirring, right, having a rest. The cooker right in the high level, so actually literally 6 minutes it boils. So now when it start boils, and starch will merge with water, so it's fine. All kinds. The basmati rice it's just easy to cook. So when it boils, turn the gas right down to the lowest possible, or just above the minimum. Right, like this, it's about right. The water just a little bit bubble, and put the lid on. Leave it until water dries off. Then we'll be ready. Simple, steamed rice, very simple. Stir 6 minutes, and until it boils, turn the cooker right down to minimum. Then put the lid on until when the water dries off. So that probably gave you, I would say, another 6 to 7 minutes. Let's see, we'll come back for that. Okay? And as you can see, water dries off, but almost ready. Okay? Okay, when the water dries, literally turn the cooker right, finish. And leave it for probably 1 more minute, let the moisture absorb inside the rice themselves. It's done. Like this. Perfect. Steam the rice. Easy peasy. Okay? Okay. About an hour and a half. Time to come back. Ooh. Almost ready. Now we have garlic oil. Whoa. Perfect.